Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your feyorra from this website, and this is one of the wonderful website I share with you. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos everywhere on website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. You can see this much coin. This will be pay you every 0 minutes. This mean every 0 second. And this is a very new site. And after the link available in description, click the link and register yourself. Put your email, password, confirm password, solve this captcha, and just click get start. You can easily make an account, and I have already account to show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, and right now I'm in my account to show you how you can start earning from here. This much coin I have in my balance. And the first way you can start earning, just click in here is a manual faucet. Okay, the manual faucet is one of the best way, because this manual faucet you can claim 100 time per day and every 0 minute. Okay, this much coin this will be pay you. Just come down, just solve this captcha. Available in here is a fox and elephant, and just click your reward. None of another that captured this website has this. That's very simple. Okay, and after that you just come down and claim. Again is a 835, and just come down and click claim. This is one of the best way because it's too easy to claim. It's no timer available in here, no capture, it's no art capture available in here to you use it. This is a very easy capture this website has, and it's a 1038, and then come down and claim, collect again. That's the best way. The next way earning is, you come here, it's short links. Okay, you can visit the short links, and it's too easy to visit the short links. It's not too hard. This much short links available in here, and this much coin this will be pay, and this much energy this will be pay. And you can see, you can click any of this short links and you can just solve it, and you can make much more. The next way is a PTC hats. You can watch advertisement and you can earn this much coin. It's too easy. The next way is a lottery ticket, and you can buy a lottery ticket and you can participate in the contest. 1 month ago the contest will be finished, but in the next contest will be running sometimes. You just watching here. The next way is you can make a task, complete this task. You can see a lot of tasks available in here. You can join the Telegram group. Okay, and you can join the you can tweet your Twitter. Okay, and you can earn this much coin. This is the task, you can complete it and making your amount. Okay, and right now I share with you how much this website pay and how this website pay. Every one coin equal to 2 satoshi of feyorra, and every one coin equal to 0.60 satoshi of digibyte. This is the all thing you can see in here. But you choose any cryptocurrency you want to choose. It is one coin, 1 satoshi of Shiba Inu. Okay, I choose feyorra faucetpay, and I go to my faucetpay. First of all, I copy my feyorra wallet address and come here, paste it, and just click withdraw. Okay, and come down. This faucet is okay. This faucet right now didn't have a specific balance for feyorra. You can click any one of these, you can claim any of these, but I want to claim feyorra. You can claim Solano. You go to your faucetpay, go to deposit, copy your Solano wallet address from here. You can claim Solano, it's not too hard. Okay, this website pay you 100%, and you can see I pasted my Solano. I just click withdraw, and oh, okay, this Solano is not available balance, but this website pay you 100%. Maybe tomorrow you can use it for the withdrawal, and this website is one of the best because this website pay you much more. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and in the next video I will be share with you the much more of the withdrawal from this website. Sometimes this old website doesn't work because the website is not 100% sure to that website pay you or not, but at least you work and you can withdraw your amount, any cryptocurrency you want, just use it and this will be pay you. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.